Passive income is a scam. You've been lied to. For years, you've been told the dream is passive income, money flowing in while you sleep. No effort, no problem. But here's the truth. They never mention passive income isn't really passive. It's a setup. A shiny illusion dressed up as freedom. You believe you're chasing independence. But in reality, someone else is selling it to you. Stay with the debt destroyer through these 7 traps, and by the end, you'll see exactly why the passive income dream is the easiest way to get stuck working forever just in prettier chains. And most importantly, you'll learn how to flip the game, just like the rich do. Trap 1. The fake freedom promise. They tell you, make money while you sleep. But ask anyone who actually does, they barely sleep. Every passive system starts with massive effort, time, money, risk. That Amazon store, that Airbnb, that crypto side hustle. It's not passive. It's another job you just don't clock into. And yet, you're told it's easy. Because ease sells better than effort. But you see through it now. Freedom doesn't come from laziness. It comes from leverage. You just woke up. That alone puts you ahead of millions still dreaming of easy money. Trap 2. The hustle rebrand. Passive income is just the hustle rebranded for people who are tired. You're told, work smarter, not harder. But in reality, you're still working just pretending it's not work. Online gurus say, build once, get paid forever. It doesn't work like that, and it never will. Plus, that every system decays, algorithms change, markets crash, customers vanish. You don't escape the hustle, you just rename it. You're learning to see effort for what it is, not your enemy, but your engine. Trap 3. The guru pipeline. Let's be honest, the only ones making passive income are the ones selling you how to make passive income. Every YouTube ad, every $999 course, every smiling, financial freedom guy on Instagram. They're cashing in on your hope. You're not the customer, you're the product. They promise the shortcut, but the shortcut leads straight to their checkout page. You just dodged the easiest scam in the modern money game. You're no longer a buyer, but a thinker. Trap 4. The investment illusion. Let your money work for you, they say. Sounds smart. Until your money gets lazy, stocks crash, real estate dips, crypto burns. You can't outsource discipline. Passive income only works if you first learned active intelligence. Otherwise, you're just feeding your cash to someone else's system. The secret isn't to make money while you sleep. It's to make money while you're awake. You just reclaimed control. You're no longer letting your dollars drive blind. Trap 5. The set and forget lie. You buy into something that promises autopilot profits. And for a few weeks, it feels like magic. Then problems appear, maintenance, updates, customer complaints. You didn't buy freedom. You bought responsibility disguised as ease. Everything requires attention. Let's be honest, even your peace needs hope desperately. You've learned the golden rule: you can automate systems, but never discipline. Trap 6. The time blind spot. Passive income tricks you into chasing time. You think freedom means not working at all. But freedom isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing what matters without fear of going broke. That's not passive. That's the purpose. You're no longer chasing, you're designing balance. That's what money can't buy. Trap 7. The emotional cage. Here's the cruelest twist. The pursuit of passive income keeps you emotionally broke. You scroll through success stories, comparing your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. You feel behind, of course, not because you're failing, but because the dream moved the goalpost. You were never supposed to catch up. You were supposed to keep chasing. But now you see it. The real freedom isn't making money while you sleep. It's peace while you're awake. You've just broken out of the dream they sold you. You're awake, aware, and unchained. So there it is, the 7 traps of the passive income dream: fake freedom, hustle rebrand, guru pipeline, investment illusion, set and forget lie, time blind spot, emotional cage. Starting from today, or most people will keep chasing easy money. But not you. You now understand that the most powerful income is active, intentional, and aligned. You don't need passive income. You need powerful income money that moves with your mind, your mission, your time. Because when your mind is free, your money follows. And in the next video, I'll show you the truth that flips everything. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. It's the part they never tell you, because that's how the real freedom game works.